Hey friends, it's Felice and I'm back with another video, and as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 25 new YouTube video ideas to start your channel. But before we get into this video, make sure you click that like and subscribe button and also click that bell so that you never miss when I post another video. To stay connected to all my socials, they'll be linked inside the description box. And now my friends, Lego. I'm only going to be giving you guys 25 YouTube video ideas because I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys want a part 2, just let me know and I will make one because I have a lot of ideas actually. But the first you could do is story time. Story times do so well. Like crazy stories, funny stories, things that's happened to you throughout your life, or like, but it has to be like a good story time, and do not lie because your subscribers will know that you are lying. So
why you always lying?
But if you are going to do story times, you know, have personality. YouTube is for people who have personality anyway, so come with it, you know what I mean? Vlogs, you can vlog literally anything. You can vlog your day, you can vlog what you eat. That's gonna go into another video actually, like what do you eat in a day. Like you can vlog something like that, or like going to the amusement parks, anything. Like vlog, like people actually like to watch vlogs. Like I'm one of those people. It's talking about me. Get ready with me. Get ready with me's actually do extremely well. I see those go viral. Some of the ideas that I'm giving you guys are also videos that I've researched that go viral. So jot your notes if you mentally noting. Okay, but it's better to have paper and pen, baby. How to and DIYs, those do extremely well because people come to YouTube, not most of the time, but a lot of people come to YouTube to figure out how to do stuff because they don't know how to do something certain. So like how to change a tire, how to do your makeup, how to build something. Like there's all type of videos on YouTube, how-tos and DIYs out there that blow up, and even if they don't blow up, they're still out there. They haven't gotten to the front page yet. I feel like sometimes it takes a few years to uncover the good videos, or I don't know. It really just depends. Skincare, hair care routines, those do extremely well, especially if you have like natural hair. I was thinking of trying one of those because I shaved all of my hair off, like the sides and stuff. I had like the top, but it grew back in like a year and a half beautifully, and I love it. I'm in love with my hair, period. And excuse my face because I have been drinking pop the last week and it's a big no. And one of the days I ended up staying in the hotel with my friends, I did not wash my face that night. I ended up going to sleep. And you can clearly see that that's a bad idea, and I won't be doing that anymore. You can do unboxings for like inventory if you have like a business, new things that you get like from like Amazon or something, or like I know they do those little TikTok things you never know you needed and stuff like that, or things from Amazon you never knew you needed, or you can do like electronics when you get the new iPhone or the new Samsung Galaxy, whatever, you know. You can do an unboxing for that, or a new Apple Watch or something. People want to know how it works, or a gaming system, or a new game, anything. You can do an unboxing, or unrevealing, whatever you want to call it. A day in the life of, those do extremely well too, depending on like if your subscribers know you, if you have a following. But sometimes some people's in a day in the life of actually blow up, and we have no. I don't be knowing these people, but I end up clicking like and subscribe, just like you guys like and subscribe, right? It's the right thing to do. I'm just kidding. You can do a clothing haul. If you do a clothing haul, you have to do a try on haul, you guys. Come on, like we're adults. Some of you are not, but if you do a clothing haul, just do a try on haul. We want to see the stuff that you got, how it looks on you. We just want to see. You like to see, you know. I don't know. You can do room transformations, and men or women can do the clothing hauls, because men wear clothes too. I mostly see women doing them, but men, where are you? Step out, do it. You can do cleaning videos. Like I said, room transformation. You can do room tours. Those do extremely well, the room tours. Apartment and house tours do extremely well. Those go viral too. People won't want to be nosy. They want to see the inside of your room. They want to see how you decorate, how you set up, all that good stuff, you know, because most of the people I watch on YouTube, you guys are like friends, so wish I knew them in real life. But challenges and pranks, if you're going to do challenges and pranks, try to keep up with the trends, because things change, and you're obviously not going to want to do something that was like 6 years ago, because it wouldn't be relevant to today unless it's like a DIY or how to, because a lot of people actually don't know how to change a tire. Q&A. You can do question and answer. Those are for people who have like more of a following, but it's all about what your personality is like, or what you want to do, honestly. Reviews for like products. You can do like hair reviews, shoes, makeup. You can do reviews for anything. Anywhere there's a product, you can do a review for it. Like, there's room to expand there. Literally do reviews on anything. Anything you like, anything you didn't like, you know, review. Weight loss and transformation videos. Those go viral because people like to have motivation to either gain, lose, or just to see how far people have come in their life, like, or come in that year or 6 months or whatever it is. I need to try one of those. Hurry it. Like, I'm gonna give one of those a try, actually. But I actually like to watch those too, because it's like motivation. I'm like, wow, you can do it. Si se puede. Reaction videos. Me and Rob actually have one of those on our channel. A reaction video to Among Us, the real life. So you guys can actually go watch that. Click over to that page too if you want to. Our page will also be in the description of this too. Just because I just mentioned it. And because I'm on that page too. Morning and night routine. Like how you wake up in the morning, what you do when you wake up in the morning, if you journal, if you vlog, what type of music you listen to. I will be careful with the music you listen to, just because you can get copyrighted, because you don't own the rights to the music. So if you're okay with being copyrighted, then you can do playlists too, like what you listen to, or you can just like write it in the box, like what you listen to. It's open to your own interpretation. A night routine, like how you go to sleep. What do you eat before you go to sleep? Stuff like that. Like, do you exercise? Things like that. How do you wind down, basically, or get up? Hygiene routines, that can be for men or women. I'll be also doing one of those because I got a bunch of new vitamins and a bunch of new girl stuff. So I'll be doing one of those videos. For guys, you can also do that as well. What you eat in a day. Mukbang. Love a good mukbang. I don't know, it's maybe a weird thing, but I like to actually watch mukbangs, and I want to do one as well, but I actually really like watching mukbangs. How to edit YouTube videos, like how you edit yours, like how to do thumbnails, or how to actually edit, or how to do the lighting, or how to set up, or, you know, anything. Cooking videos. I personally love cooking videos. Even if I'm not ever gonna try it, I still like to watch it. Gaming and streaming, so you can like stream, like when you play on like Call of Duty, Destiny, whatever you guys want to play. I'm a Call of Duty person, Call of Duty girl, so yeah. Or you can do a girl or guy talk, but it could be like advice. First time trying something, like you can do first time trying anything. Anything. I like food, first time trying something, but you can also do like stores, like and the last one that I have is workout or self-care videos. I love workout videos, even if sometimes I'm just sitting in the bed and I'm eating Doritos. I still like to watch the workout videos. I know there's people out there who are like that because I read the comments. So and the self-care video, people like to watch you pamper yourself and how you do stuff and give them ideas on what to do when they want to pamper themselves. So yeah, this has been the video. I tried to keep it short, under 15 minutes, and we did that. So don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. And thank you for watching this video. Oh, and you didn't think I was gonna let you leave this video without getting the link to these lashes? Right here, boo. Felice Collections, boo. Vibe high, boo. Felice Collections. Tell them don't play with you, okay?